everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love creative crafts, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe right now. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this stunning paper crown super easily. And guess what? No glue needed at all. First of all, grab a simple sheet of A4 paper and place it in front of you ... Now, we come to one of the prettiest and most satisfying parts. Gently and patiently, bring the edge of the paper right along the center line and give it a clean crease. There's no need to rush. The more precise these folds are, the neater and more attractive our final piece will look. Look how smoothly the paper is taking shape. Isn't it satisfying? Just follow along with me step by step so we can create something wonderful together. Now, it's time for the cutting part. Carefully take your scissors and neatly cut along the lines we folded. There's no rush. Precision here will make our final piece look so professional. Smooth and align the edges to get everything completely ready for the next step. Perfect! It's coming together wonderfully. Now, we've reached this part where we carefully fold and shape the pieces together like this. Gently and patiently adjust the corners so everything locks in place and builds the main structure. Step by step, our cute crown is really coming together. You're doing such an amazing. And now, we've reached the final and most exciting step, locking and connecting these lovely pieces together. Carefully fit the parts into each other to complete the crown structure. Look how gorgeous and neat it turned out. You did an amazing job, and our glue-free paper crown is finally ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more creative crafts. See you in the next video. And that's the final step. Our work is all done, and now you have such a cute and gorgeous crown. Make sure to check out and watch the other videos on the channel. I have so many adorable and lovely clips prepared for you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more creative crafts. See you in the next video.